In this video, I will be showing you how to set up and use Claude Code in PyCharm IDE. So let's get started. For this, just come inside PyCharm and to the top you will be having this settings icon. Click it and select plugins. Here in plugins, just search for Claude Code. And we'll be having a lot of these Claude Code options, but the official one is from Anthropic. Just select this and just look at the download number. It has around 4.3 million downloads, way more than any other plugin. So get the right one and just click on install. Click on accept, and here you can see what are the features that it offers. Another important thing is here it says this plugin requires Claude Code to be installed separately. So after installing this plugin, we need to install Claude Code separately. Okay, now we are done. We can simply click on apply and we can click on OK. So as you can see, to the top we are having the Claude Code plugin, and if you go to plugins and then installed, we'll be having the Claude Code one over here. So I'll close it. Now if you click on this Claude Code icon, we'll be getting an error. As you can see, we have got this error. The reason is being we need to install Claude Code separately. So for that, just search for Claude Code, click on the first link and click on read documentation. Just go to overview. If you scroll down under terminal, we'll be having the native installation for Windows. So if you're using Mac or Linux, you need to run this command. So I'll just copy the Windows PowerShell command and open PowerShell. Just paste it and hit enter. This will take some time to install Claude Code, so just be patient. Once it is done, we'll be getting Claude Code successfully installed, and it says we need to add this path in our environment variables. So just copy this path, Ctrl C. Now go to search and type environment, select this, edit the system environment variables, and here click on environment variables. Under user variables or system variables, click on path, edit, new, and paste it. Okay, click on OK everywhere. Now just type command prompt and type the Claude. As you can see, we are getting the Claude CLI now. Now we can simply close everything and just restart PyCharm. So close and open it. I have restarted PyCharm. Now if I click on the Claude Code icon, as you can see, we are getting the exact same settings. Choose the theme to get started, and now we are not getting that error. So here just select the theme of your choice. So I'll just go with the default dark mode, hit enter. And next is we must select the login method. Either we can log in using our Claude Code subscription or Anthropic console if you're having a API plan, if you have Claude API credits. And next option is by using the third-party platform. Another way is you can even run models locally and still connect with Claude. If you're having Olama, you can try using that also. So just select the login method here. You will be redirected to the browser where you need to sign in with your Claude account. After that, just click on I trust this folder and just click enter. Now I am right inside the project folder. So if I just type /, we'll be getting all the commands with the one-line description. So for example, I'll just go to model and hit enter. So I can switch the model over here. So if we're having these many models to choose from, I'll just go with Haiku. I'll just ask a question. I'll just say explain me the Python code. Okay, it has given me the explanation of the Python file that I'm having. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.